just like chicken. I'm gonna do what I do best. Charge! Charge! I like a chicken in my underwear. Even though I don't have underwear. Actually, yes, I do have underwear. That's a song about undies. A song about undies. A song about me dying. A song about me dying. Your health is dwindling and you must retreat. Reach high! Ah! Remember, if you're a PC pro, you never give up. It doesn't matter who you are. Never give up. Never, ever give up. Always try your hardest. And I'm free in the black bear. So, hey. What did the bear say to the... Hold on. Hey, what did the berry say to the bear? Hold on. He swiped the infinite circlet from some conquered kid's tent. Well, what did the berry say to the bear? You look bear-y nice. Don't you get it? Because he's a bear and there's a bear-y. Please tell me you laughed. And if you are liking this episode, do subscribe. You don't have to, but it's your choice. Whoa. You're doing a lot of damage, Mr. Scout. Oh yeah, your name is Scout. And could you subscribe? I don't have a computer. Okay. They haven't invented it yet. Then what is a computer? I don't know. What is a computer? I don't know. What is a computer? I don't know. Okay. La 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 la. PC Pro. Yeah, yeah. I just whipper-snapped. I don't know. Whipper-snapped your face, whipper-snapper snake. But tell me in the comments if that was funny. I always need help with puns. Run! Just run! Well, help! Recover, recover, I'm never giving up. Recover, recover, I'm never giving up. Charge! I will help you! I will save you guys! Yeah! We did it! Now for a nap! Right? Don't you do a nap? No! We're gonna see how our little guys do it. A little guy, a little fox, a little guy, a little fox. Just tell me if you like the berry thing. Hey, you look very nice. Huh? Huh? Do you get it? Hold on, we will play ball. Ball! Boing! Boom, boom. food. You hungry? Yes, I'm hungry. Nom, 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 nom. Delicious. Oh, but now I kind of have something in my fur. Oh, yes. How did you know? I can see your bubbles over you. Anything? Now, time to pet you. La 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 la, la 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 la. Ooh. But anyway, sorry, I got to go. Well, you go. Well, you go stay in nappy. I stay here in a wakey. I'm a wakey. Wow, I need some XP. What did you do? What did that? Yeah. I like moi. Continue anyway. It's been 9 minutes. Well, we are late. Hey, time me and see. Lynx hunty around and able predators and conquerors must have known this when they begin enslaving them. Don't worry, Kakaraka. Kakaraka. You know, I've actually seen a lynx at a zoo back in Alaska. Yes, I lived in Alaska, but now I live in Wisconsin to get more close to family. And it was hard moving. Very. Like, I was the saddest thing ever. They tried, I'm pretty sure my parents tried to get me into a good mood. So they took us to like this mountainy place. Yeah. And that was a year ago. And then the channel came. Not this one. It was one called Everything is Cool. It's still here and making videos. Like, I'm still making videos on it, but I don't know. I'm going to see which channel gets more subscribers. And then I'll just go on that one and hope it's this one called PC Pro. No, I don't want that. I will save you all. I am going to save you. I am going to run. How long was that? 2 minutes. I only lasted 2 minutes. We're just going to abandon because it's time to end the episode. La, 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 la. And put in the comments what games you want me to play. I can play Spirit Animals again. And let's get a lot of thumbs up and I'll make Spirit Animals a series. Put it if you want me to play games on this, if you want me to play this, anything on PBS, or just a game, and if I have it, I'll try it. So, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all later. Bye. Bye.